Everybody. On this ride, we had been out to areas out on Highway 90. We had also went out to Oot on Highway 90, came back and did some flights over the Pinion Cemetery, and were able to take a stop off here. This is on Colorado Highway 141. As you enter Naturita or leave Naturita, it depends on your direction of travel. If you're heading to Grand Junction, this is as you're entering Naturita. It's about 2 miles outside of town. There is the turnoff for the Highway 90 turnoff. It used to be called Power Plant Road. You might see either sign there or Tri-States Power Plant on that road as well. I can't remember, but you see it right there in the corner in the back. That's the road where most of the traffic is going to be turning off for now. But here on this ride, we were able to wait patiently, and sure enough, being its weekend travel, there's a high level of motorcycle travel in the area. So it's pretty neat to be able to drone out and catch some motorcycles in action on the side of the road. And it's something that I'm kind of considering maybe possibly even offering as a service. Who knows? And then we take a pan of the Naturita Creek uh, Valley or Canyon. That is Naturita Creek at the bottom. Here we're going to fly over Sherry and the Spyder and show you what it's like. I think it's about 150 feet to the bottom of the canyon. That is Naturita Creek and an irrigation system running there. The irrigation system's grown over with that dark brush, and then the creek was next to it. And here we turn around and come back toward the Spyder again and just kind of do a passing overview. Note the terrain of the area. Very few guardrails, very high amounts of debris on the side of the road. So you need to be careful if you're going to be traveling the 141. You also need to make sure that you're well supplied. This is not a friendly area to run out of supplies or break down. So make sure you're ready, capable, have plenty of water, and have cell phone contact if you can get it. That is a situation that is improving. I hope you've enjoyed this visit and flight, and please feel free to stop and look at my other movies. I ask you to subscribe and like our work if you've enjoyed the work. Thank you very much for watching today. Have a fantastic week. Please ride safe, and keep the greasy side down.